Hey guys, how are you? Hey, okay. My Woody Woodpecker came. Yes, today. In the mail because I ordered a Woody Woodpecker from eBay. I waited all day, and it is now. I'm sitting on the computer. It is now 2:56. All day I've been waiting. So where is he? Here he is. Okay. So here's my Woody Woodpecker. Hold up. Here's my Woody Woodpecker. Pretty good size. He does, hold up. Yeah, I can just do this, there we go. He does have a thingamabobber. I will most likely cut it off so he can just look like just this. I don't know. So he does have the sticky suction cup thing. So it just came in the mail a couple of minutes ago. His hair is creased, obviously, so I gotta fix that up. His collar is also broken, so don't judge. I actually use blue tack and it works sometimes. Hold up, I need to squish it back together. I'll probably put some glue on it, or my mum will sew it back, or I can put pins in it and pin it. His tail, you can pose because it's got like barbed wire in it or something. Yeah, so you can pose it. So you can do it like that, like that. You get the point. He's a good plushie. That's his head and face. He's sort of cross-eyed. He's probably like, oh my god, you know. Okay. God, I do need to take this suction cup off, but sometimes I don't, because I just made this up before I was gonna film. He can be Dr. Woody Woodpecker. If you're wondering where I'm filming in the computer room where I used to film my first 2 Fortnite videos. Anywho, so that's my Woody Woodpecker that just came in the mail. Also, I'm wearing my Looney Tunes t-shirt because I've got 2 other plushies, Bullwinkle from the Rocky and Bullwinkle show, I think, and Pink Panther. I've got them plushies, and I know they're not related with Looney Tunes. Same with Tom and Jerry and that bulldog from Tom and Jerry. I've got them as well. Oh yeah, look. Oh damn it. But I still put them in like my Looney Tunes collection. So I added Woody Woodpecker in there as well. So yeah. So this is Woody Woodpecker. I have never seen him on YouTube before, so I don't know if he's rare. He actually looks really good. When I saw him on eBay, I went like, yeah, that will do, because I don't have a Woody Woodpecker and this is the cheapest one. So I thought it was pretty small. It came here. It's like all clean. It's all clean. It's very good. It's so good. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, that. Like, it's really good. And yes, I mean, some of it may be dirty. Oh, that was lit. And that's broken. His face is a little bit dirty. So we can clean it. We can sew that back together. I mean, it's all right. No, it's not all right. It's great. It's good. This is annoying me. So I probably will cut it off. But I sort of like it. Like a man who can fly. Look in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a woodpecker. What is this? You were getting sleepy. You were getting sleepy. Yeah, I'll probably cut it off. Actually, so it doesn't annoy me, I'll just do this for now. And then I'll probably cut it off later. There we go, see? Put it around his ear. There we go. So that's Woody Woodpecker. It's okay, I'm filming, it's 6 minutes. How is this a 6 minute? I don't know. That's my Woody Woodpecker. That just came in the mail. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, yay, boom. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.